Welcome back. Before we get into today's adventures, I'd like to share with you something my son made me for Christmas. It's pretty cute. I finally got a YouTube plaque. 500 subscribers. Actually, I'm over 700 now, but who's counting? Let's put this up here. Just hang this on my wall. How's that look? And I can sit here at the computer and edit my videos. What do you think? We made it, Scare. Let's get on with the show. So just 5 days ago, we was in negative temperatures. We was like -3. Today we're in the mid 50s. And I don't think the ice is safe. Not safe enough for me, so I'm at Spillway. I got my jingle balls. Set up a I'll set a warm up in this current. Then I'm gonna put my jingle balls on it so I can be working my other thing. And if this gets hit, I'll be able to hear it. What the heck? Jingle balls, jingle balls. That'll work. Oh shit. I'm sorry, dude. Another bluegill. Oh, a drum. You know I gotta get the drum. This ain't gonna be right if I don't catch a drum. Got me some stuff. Ah, nothing good. Bologna sandwich time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. You have a bluegill?
Huh?
So I wanted to get around to get this out. Ah.
5.5 clear, and probably about an inch of it top. Wasn't clear, it's kind of getting flaky.
Bluegill.
It was getting flaky.
That's a big bluegill.
There's 2 of them. That's a double whammy.
Gee whiz, only you.
Only me. No. I guarantee that one was chasing it after
Yep.
he was on it.
Nobody's gonna believe that anyway. The bluegill. Got a double.
Crappie?
Yeah, looks like it. Sweet.
That's a head shake.
You got a head shaker?
Yeah. Come on, bluegill.
Bluegill.
I can't believe they're attacking these blade baits. That's when you know they're hungry.
That's true.
Look at that. Hook
Oh yeah.
right through the mouth.
Oh yeah.
You know they're hungry. Winter's over, they're heading
Wow. That's a lot. You got what at home?
Nice.
Trying to ski. Crappie.
Man, if you just want to hang out with me, you just gotta tell me. Couple bluegill and crappie. Yeah. Trying to get some wallies. Yeah. After they did all this work though, the cable up to block it off so nobody can go down there. At work. Which sucks. I was like, man, that sucks for us because now we gotta walk down there for the. Oh yeah. Yeah, you get that. Thank you. But,
You're welcome.
You get that. What's in right
You're
now?
the conservation officer. Can we duck out there or not?
Whatever the ordinance is, but I mean, we don't enforce city ordinances. It's like state law enforcement. But I mean, if the LPD comes out, writes you a ticket. That's
Yeah.
on them.
Did you ever drive out and look at Eller?
Sit there and see, I was down there. I caught 2 people in the woods screwing, and it's nuts. And I was like trying to deal with that. And, like, get
Wait, is that illegal?
yeah, that's against the ordinance. But
What the hell?
so I
This is
was
America.
Like, like take this somewhere else. Like I'm not gonna like deal with the whole issue, just even though it's really weird. You know,
Yeah,
like,
just go.
It's a crime, but like here's your warning. Like get out of here. You know. I mean,
I'll even film it for my show.
it's like the movie Secondhand Lions. You guys seen that?
Yeah.
They're out there shooting the catfish with their shotguns
Out in the pond. Oh, on the one he was in.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know where it went.
Oh, I'm gonna make an episode out of that.
But on
Right?
shooting them.
Yeah.
I mean, that,
I still think we should just.
yeah. Well, I'm gonna head on. If I go over and talk to those 2 guys, I'll be here for 3 hours. You guys,
Are you okay with being on my show?
that's fine.
Okay. Can I get your card?
I don't have cards.
All right, don't go.
Let me,
Don't worry about it.
Well, I got one under the truck, but yeah. Let me go write my number down on it.
Don't roll an ankle.
Yeah. Hey, that's some days off.
Oh yeah, you yeah, personally.
He,
Sign here.
he tried to bite it though.
He went for it. Swiped it. But
Seen
no.
it.
But
Crappie! Yeah, we just spent about an hour talking to the local conservation officer. If you guys aren't friends with your local conservation officer, you should be. We had all kinds of questions for him, and he answered them all.
There's a flipper.
Skiing.
Oh,
Oh,
walleye.
looks like it. Way to go!
Finally, I got one.
They want blue.
Put a blue on first cast. He's a little guy.
Little 9-inch.
Well, we know they're reproducing.
That's awesome. Target fish acquired. Pretty sweet. Lost it. Got some weight to it. Dead weight. Bluegill tail hook. Well, nothing overly exciting, but catching fish, catching up with friends. I appreciate everyone watched this video to the end. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we're going to see you next time.